my channel, Ciao Valentina. Today I will make a video different from the others. Today I will talk for the very first time about eco-friendly travels. I have been thinking about this subject since before my trip to America, where I've started to realize the impact of my travels on the planet. If you're new, you can check my North America playlist to catch up with my adventure. But that trip, it has been super inspiring for me, not only because I was traveling solo. In fact, I made a video that will pop up right now here on how to travel solo and stay safe. But it made me realize that I could have done much more to travel in a more eco-friendly way. Let me explain myself better. 2019, it has been and is still actually a super revolutionary year that made me reconsider my way to live. To start with, I've decided to buy less things and to buy only the things that were really necessarily for my daily life. And I have to be honest, I reduced quite a lot. Also, I've started this YouTube channel, and being my own boss is super exciting and also super challenging and make me realize that I have to work super hard to reach where I want to reach. All this to say that my trip to America added something extra in this 2019. Make me realize that the majority of us, the way that the majority of us is traveling is wasteful without respecting our planet where we love to travel. I have been thinking quite a lot if I want to make this video and if I was ready for it. But now that I am in front of the camera, I cannot feel more ready and excited to talk about eco-friendly travel. So here we go with my list of products that I've decided to change in these last few months of traveling that changed my way to travel, respecting the environment and obviously our pocket. Bar shampoo. I bought it in Lush and I love it. It's something new that I've decided to try probably 1 month and a half ago. It's pretty destroyed right now, but I've been using it pretty often and it's just fabulous. At the beginning, I have to be honest, I was pretty skeptical about using it. I wasn't sure, but after trying the first time, it has always been with me. I love it because when you go and buy this bar shampoo, you literally just go and buy this piece, not the whole packaging. So in this way, you reduce of plastic and it's super good for your carry-on luggage because it's not considered a liquid. Solid soap. Also this one bought at the Lush probably 1 month ago. Right now is absolutely destroyed. I'm sorry to show you this, but again, when you go and buy solid soap at the Lush, you will just get the soap and not the plastic. In this way, you will save a lot of plastic bottles. It smells wonderful and I use it in all my body. It's superb. You can also bring this one in your carry-on luggage because it's solid soap. Wonderful. Face cream. Bought this product 1 month ago, split in half with my mom, and I still have quite a lot. It literally melts on my hand, but I love it. I can bring this on my carry-on luggage, and with this product I reduce the plastic as well, because as I said before, when you go to Lush, you don't buy the whole packaging, you just buy the final product. So remember, with Lush you reduce the plastic. I love it. Face wipes and makeup remover, eliminate it. I'm not using those products anymore to remove my makeup. I just use water and soap. In this way, I'm proud of eliminating all those plastic and I'm not worried when I pass through the security at the airport because I might have too many liquid. Deodorant. I use this product from Peat Rock. It is basically a stone and Honestly guys, I've been using this for probably 4 years. It has been in all my travels, and it's not liquid, so you don't have to worry to carry another type of liquid in your carry-on luggage. And I paid this only £5. The only thing that I don't like about this is that the packaging is actually plastic. But considering that I've been using this for the past 4 years, I think I can calculate how many spray bottles I have reduced or avoid to use just with this one. And the stone is very good for your body as well, because there are no heavy metals inside here. Keep this in mind. Cotton bags. Well, honestly talking guys, I have more than one cotton bag with me. I've used these bags to separate the shoes from my clean clothes inside the luggage, and I also use this to put my dirty laundry, to avoid to have them all over my luggage. And at the end of the trip, I just wash them, ready for the next adventure. So remember, no more plastic bag. Use the cotton ones. Reusable bottles. About this, I have actually my technique. Once I pass the check-in at the airport, I buy a plastic bottle. Usually I buy the Water Smart because it's a pretty solid plastic, and I use that bottle for the entire length of my trip. If you travel to America and Europe, what I've realized is that you can refill those bottles basically everywhere. There are public fountains with drinkable water. Also in hostels, you really have the possibility to refill those bottles, and in this way you save lots of plastic during the length of your trip. Probably you're wondering why I don't have one with me yet. Well, the reason is that there are so many out there that I'm doing my research before buying the right bottle with the right filter I can carry with me next trip. Reusable fork and knife. These were a present from a great friend of mine called probably 2 years ago, and I've been using these ever since. At the very beginning, I was using them on my lunch break when I was still working in the office, and now they are always traveling with me. It's a good way to save plastic. Not only if you're traveling, but as I said before, also if you're working in the office, you can use this reusable, washable fork, knife and spoon, and this will save the planet from lots of plastic that every day we use just going on our lunch break. Think about that. I love this one. Check-in online. Okay, this is not a product, I'm aware of that, but I really want to make the point. We live in a world where technology is everywhere. So why going to the airport with piece of paper that you might lose? So remember, use the phone app. The majority of the airlines companies, they have the application that you can download and where you can do your check-in online. In this way, you will save a trip and you will not be worried to lose paper around the airport. And obviously, this is exactly the same when you go to check-in to a hotel. You just need the confirmation number, and that confirmation number can just stay in your phone. So remember, save a trip, use the app. Bamboo toothbrush. It's on my list of things that I want to buy. As soon as I finish with my old plastic toothbrush, I definitely want to try the bamboo toothbrush. I've been reading quite a lot online, and apparently is 100% natural and very delicate on your gums. So definitely something that I want to try, and on my next video I will tell you how it is the bamboo toothbrush. This is my list with the product that I've decided to change or that I will adopt for my travels. I think those products are a must if you want to embrace an eco-friendly travel lifestyle. if you have started this adventure before me and you have any other tips and advice that you want to share, please let me know in the comment below. Alternatively, if you're new exactly like me in this new adventure, comment below and let's embrace this eco-friendly travel life together. In the meantime, happy eco travels! Ciao!